The following MC LED devices are in use in this tutorial. Step 1. Start Alexa app in order to add the LED controller. Click on Devices at the bottom right-hand side. Then click on the plus icon at the top right and select Add Device. Click on the light icon. Scroll down and select Other. Click on Zigbee logo. And click on Discover Devices. This may take up to 45 seconds. Step 2. Set the LED controller into pairing mode by performing factory reset manually. Short press programming key on the LED controller 5 times. New device found, LEDs flashes 5 times quickly for confirmation. Now click on the button, Set up device. Select the group or room where the new device is located, and click Add to Group. Click on Continue and Later. The MC LEDs can now be controlled with Alexa app or by voice. Say for example, Alexa, turn on the first lights. Click on Done to complete this task. Step 3. Pair MC LED remote control with Alexa. In Alexa app, click on plus icon in the upper right corner again and select Add Device. Next, click on the switch icon and select Other at the bottom of the list. Click on Zigbee logo. And click on Discover Devices. This may take up to 45 seconds. Press and hold down the On button on the remote control until LED indicator turns on. Short press Off button on the remote control, indicator LED will flash for a few seconds. Indicator LED flashes several times when the remote control has been detected. Click on Set up device again. Assign it to the same room and complete the configuration. Step 4. Pair the MC LED remote control with the LED controller via touch link. Bring the remote close to the LED controller, less than 10 centimeters. Press the prog key on LED controller 4 times quickly to start touch link pairing mode. Short press one of the 4 group buttons that the device should link to. Press and hold down the On button on the remote control until LED indicator turns on. Finally, short press the first group button. Indicator LED on the remote control lights up quickly for 3 seconds and then 6 times slowly. If the touch link has been successfully set up, the connected LEDs light up several times. You can now control your MC LED by your voice, via Alexa app or with the MC LED remote control.